Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade Sloppy Joes. Sloppy Joes are a classic cafeteria menu item. They are incredibly delicious and one of the easiest meals you can make. Place down your pan, turn on high heat, butter, stir until completely melted, garlic, onion, bell pepper, ground beef, thoroughly mix together. Cook for 5 minutes until the meat has completely browned. Crushed tomatoes, brown sugar, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, tomato paste, beef bouillon cube, pepper. Thoroughly mix together. Simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from heat. Massage the meat. Add mince. Taste it. Need some more salt. Add salt. Taste it. 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 Add salt. Salt. Taste it. Add salt. Taste it. That's too much salt. Remove some with the Dyson. Taste it. You've removed too much salt. Add back the salt. Taste it. Perfect! Now that the taste is perfected, it's time to get the correct consistency. That's perfect! Look how good this looks! I bet you've never seen a better looking sandwich before in your entire life. Is it making your mouth water? Mine is. What are you waiting for? Try out this recipe today.